Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we're going to discuss our C, that is second question. So first one, what is that? They are given that ax plus by plus c. So this format we have to write it. So these conversions, let's going to convert this one as 32 by x plus 5 by 3 y minus 7 will be equal to 0. Then 9x minus 10y minus 12. So minus 12 will be equal to 0. So this one we are shift to the left side. For that it will going to convert like this. So first one. So what we have to take it here is, let's going to take this one ax by by. So let's take it, what is that? So let's going to take a1 by a2. That will be equal to a1 is this here. So this is in the format of all the ones. This is first equation. This is second equation. So a1 is equals to 3 by 2. Then a2 will be equal to 9. So 3 by 2 into 1 by 9. So it will going to reciprocate. 3 1s are, then 3 3s are 9. So 1 by 2 3s are 6. So what we will get it here is 1 by 6 we got it. Then b1 by b2. So b1 is 5 by 3 whole divided by b2 is minus 10. So here it is the a, b, c. So this is also ax plus by format. So that will be equal to 5 by 3 into minus 1 by 10. So 5 1s are, then 5 2s are. Then what answer we are getting here? So here minus 1 by 6. So minus 1 by 6. Let's going to convert, see that c1 by c2. So c1 by c2 is minus 7 by minus 12. So minus 7 by 12 minus 7 by, this minus minus will going to cancel, then 7 by 12. So according to this, what you can say, the conclusion is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, and that will not equal to c1 by c2. So if all are not equal, as I told, if all are not equal, then what you can say, this is consistent. So this is consistent solutions and unique solution. Unique solution, then what you can say, the lines are intersecting. The lines will going to intersect like this. The lines will going to intersect and they will have only one unique solution, only one point they will going to intersect. So for this, what you can say, intersecting lines like this, it will have the graph. So what you can say, let's find out the conversions by this. So let's take it, the conversion will be, so let's going to convert this first equation as 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y minus 7 will be equal to 0. So y we have to find it. So y we need to take it here as, let's take it this one. So 3 by 2, let's take it 5 by 3 equal to 7 minus 3 by 2x. So this one will going to convert. So 5 by 3 into y. So that implies, what you can say, so let's going to take LCM, that one will be equal to, let's take it as LCM here. Then 5 by 3 means, let's going to convert this one to the right side. Then 5 by will be equal to 3 into 7 minus 3 by 2 x. So 7 minus 3 by 2 x. Then what you can say here is 5 by will be equal to 7 3s are 21 minus 9 x by 2. So again, let's going to divide with 5. So let's going to divide with 5 means, what answer we will get it here? So that implies we can get it, y will be equal to 21 minus 9x by 2. Here 1 by 5 we will get. So 1 by 5 means it will going to multiply with the 5 here. It will going to multiply with 5. Then what answer we will get? So here we will get it as, let's take it this one as, so y will be equal to, what is that? Y will be equal to 21 by 5 minus 9x by 10. So that is the answer here, 29x by 10. Let's going to take LCM of this. LCM will be 10. Then 21 ones are, then what you can say here is 21 into 2 minus 9x. So 42 minus 9x by 10. So y will be equal to 42 minus 9x by 10. So this is the value of first equation. So this is the first equation we are converted. Then second equation, as we know, that one will be 9x minus 10y equal to 12. So what is that? 9x minus 10y equal to 12. So this is the value. So let's going to take y value as it is. That one minus 10y will be equal to 12 minus 9x. Then y will be equal to, sorry, 10y will be equal to 9x minus 12. Then y will be equal to 9x minus 12 by 10. So this is the equation 2. Let's going to take solving of these two equations. How to solve it here? So let's take this table for solving these two equations. So what is that equations first of all? So first equation, as we know, this equation y will be equal to, what is that? 42 minus 9x by 10. So this is the value, and this value will be equal to y is equals to 9x minus 12 by, what is that? 10. So 9x minus 12 by 10. Let's keep on this. Let's going to substitute the values. The first value will be equal to, what is that? Let's take it, first value will be equal to 0. So 0 means, let's take it, y will be equal to 42 minus 9 into 0, 0 by 10. Then 42 by 10. Then what answer we will get? 4.2. So that is 0 comma 4.2. So this is the first value. Then let's going to take second value as 1. If you take it as 1, so let's going to take 1. Then y will be equal to 42 minus 9 into 1 will be 9. Then 10. 42 minus 10, 9. Sorry. So 33 by 10. Then what answer? 3.3. Then 1 comma 3.3. So this is the value. Let's going to take, or minus 1 you can take. If you add it, minus 1 means you will get it as 4 point something 1. Then let's take it this one as 3. Then y will be equal to 42 minus 9 3s are 27 whole divided by 10. Then 42 minus 27. What answer we will get? 15 by 10. We will get it as 1.5. Then 3 comma 1.5. This is the value of 3. Let's going to take minus 2 or minus, okay, let's going to take minus 2. So 42 minus of 9, minus 2 means plus 18 we will get it. So what answer we will get? So 42 plus 18. 42 plus 18 is that 60. So 60 by 10 we will get it as 6. So minus 2 comma 6. So these are the points which we are taken for the first equation. The first equation solutions like this. So where it will going to intersect, we have to check it. The first equation is this. Then going to take second equation. The second equation, let's going to keep it this one. What is that? 0. Put 0. Then y will be equal to, what is that? 9 into 0 will be 0 minus 12 by 10. Then minus 12 by 10. Then what answer we will get? Minus 1.2. Then 0 comma minus 1.2 is the first point. Let's take it 1. So first point, let's take it another one. Minus 1 or plus 1. So let's take it minus 1. So y will be equal to minus 9 minus 12 by 10. Then minus 9 plus 12 will be equal to what? That is 21. Then what is that? Minus 21 by 10. Then minus 2.1. Then minus 1 comma minus 2.1. Let's going to take value of, you can take it this one as 23 or 4. Let's going to take value of 2. Then what is that? Y will be equal to, let's going to take value of 3. So 2 means it's 18, we'll get it minus values only. For that I am checking here. For that I am checking. So let's take it value of 3 here. Then what is the value of 3? So value of 3 will be equal to 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 12 by 10. So 27 minus 12. What is that? 27 minus 12. We will get it as 15. Then what answer we will get? 1.5. So 3 comma 1.5. This is the intersection point as we check it here. Then what is that next value? So let's keep on this one, 4. So let's take it 4. Y will be equal to, so 9 4s are 36. So 36 minus 12 by 10. Then what answer we will get? 2 4 by 10. Then we will get it as 2.4. So what answer? 2.4 we will get it. That is 4 comma 2.4. So the next we'll see the graph.
Let's going to construct a bar graph for the third one, that is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3 y equal to 7 and 9x minus 10 y equal to 12. So what is the first point here? 0 comma 4.2. So x is 0 and y is 4.2. So on y-axis we will get it as 4 after 2 mm. 4 after 2 mm means this is the point. So what is this point is 0 comma 4.2. That is the point. Let's take another one. 1 to 3.3. So from 1, so on x-axis 1 we have to take, and from 1 to 3 we have to go. After 3, 3 mm. 1, 2, 3. So this is the point. What is this point is 1 comma 3.3. Let's take 3. So x is 3 and 1.5. So 3 comma 1.5 means from 3, 1 after 0.5 means off. So 5 mm we have to go. Why? Because this is only 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. For that it is. So 3 comma 1.5. Let's take another one. Minus 2 comma 6. So minus 2 from here. So 6 is from 2 to 6 here it is. So minus 2 comma 6. So this is the point from minus 2 comma 6. Let's going to join all these points. So if you join all these points, what answer, what graph, what line we will get? The first equation we will get it. So first equation is what actually? So this is the line. So what is this line equation? You can say it is as 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y will be equal to 7. So this is the first one. Then second one, what is that next one? 0 comma minus 1.2. So minus 1.2 means 0 means x is 0. So first point is 0 comma minus 1.2. So x is 0 and on negative y-axis that is 1 after 2 mm. So minus 1, 2, this is the point of, so what is this point? 0 comma minus 1.2. So minus 1 after 2 mm. Then minus 1 comma minus 2.1. So minus 1 comma minus 2.1 means after minus 2, 1 mm. So this is the point exactly, minus what you can say minus 1 comma minus 2.1. Let's take 3 comma 0.5. This is the point 3 comma 1.5. Then 4 comma 2.4. So 4 comma 2.4 means let's going to take 4 here, 2 after 4 mm. So this is the point. So 4 comma, so actually 2 comma 4 means after 2, 4 mm. So this is the point. You can say 4 comma 2.4. So this is the one. So let's going to join this one. So if you join this, what answer we will get? So we will get the one line. So this is the line. So let's going to join all these points. Then what is this equation? This equation is nothing but 9x. So this equation is 9x minus 10y equal to 12. So all points are joining at one point. So what is this? Two lines. So these two lines are joining this point. So what is that? 3 comma 1.5. You can write the solution. Therefore 3 comma 1.5 is the point of 3 comma 1.5 is the solution. Then x is equals to what? X is equals to 3, therefore, and y will be equal to 1.5 is the solution. This is intersecting lines and they are consistent to each other. So like this we have to check the graph graphically. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.